CadConnect is more than a digital connection to the CAD system. It can also be used as a tool for creating new data based on existing products placed in Business Central. Or it can also be used for just keying and building new products. A function called Copy from Existing can use to copy data from an existing product in Business Central. Next, you create the new item number, which in this case, and until further, is the same as the item you copied from. Now we have a new variant of the product. And after this, you can change whatever you want in the detail lines, add, delete, change, etc. to reflect the appearance of the new product. You finish the process running the create process. Now you can use the new variant product for production purposes.